Hello from MarineMax Savannah. Today I'd like to walk you through the 230 Vantage from Boston Whaler. It's equipped with a Mercury 300 Verado with standard hydraulic steering, the advanced midsection, and digital shift and throttle. This boat is also equipped with a convenient boarding ladder that stows neatly out of the way. This one also comes with trim tabs, and I'd like to walk you inside and show you around. So the interior of the 230 Vantage, I'd like to start with some of the options that are available. First, this boat is equipped with a fishing package, which includes a 14-gallon lighted live well located here. This one also includes stainless steel tow rails with an accessory shelf, saltwater washdown, and 2 additional rod holders on the transom is included in the fishing package. From the transom, we'll start with the great rear seat that this boat has. For entertaining, riding several people, this offers a great place for people to sit. When you're fishing, it stows neatly out of the way. Looking forward, the passenger side seat is very unique to this Whaler. It offers a full-length lounge this way with extra storage underneath, or you can tip up this side and have a lounge facing forward, with all while easily converting back to seating for 2. You have drink holders on each side for all passengers. It has a J&L audio upgraded stereo with 6 speakers. It also includes a very nice head with a freshwater sink, and plenty of extra storage space. On this side of the boat, Corian countertop with a stainless grab rail, extra storage here, another sink. This model has a Yeti underneath, has a small cutting board, and also a nice tap courtesy light. Has a great door for dogs and kids. The battery switch is conveniently located outside of the boat for ease of use. And you notice all the hardware that Whaler uses, all top grade. Moving forward to the helm, has a very nice bucket seat with a lift-up bolster, fusion stereo, SmartCraft gauges from Mercury. This is your trim and tilt switch, your Lenco trim tab with indicators. Has a very nice storage spot for your phone with a charger right there. This model is equipped with a great ski storage area. It also doubles as rod rack with convenient storage located in the top there. One great feature of the 230 Vantage is a waste bin. Keeps all your garbage in one spot, makes it easy. It has an airflow restrictor for the front. Combine that with the windshield, and it's great for cool weather boating season. This will also give you access to a great storage compartment right here. It's where your table is stored. The forward seating area, it's got plenty of room, drink holders here, USB charging port here. This one is equipped with a beach boarding ladder, freshwater shower, and 2 additional speakers in the front. And lastly, this model right here is equipped with a hard top, which includes extra rod holders on the side and a ski tow point. Well, that about wraps up the walkthrough for the Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. As you can see, it offers a lot of options for not only family fun, but great fishability. Call us at MarineMax